Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Word application course. We will continue with the formatting text and pages topic, and in this particular video we will be looking specifically at changing case of text. Changing case of text simply means you can type your text, for example, where if you make a normal sentence, the first letter or first word of your sentence has its first letter as a capital letter. For example, this, where this is a capital letter, right? And what you see is that when it comes to cases, there are lower cases and there are higher or upper cases. So a capital letter is known as an uppercase, and the small letter is known as a lowercase. There are other types of cases, but we will look at them by using this command or changing case of text. So let's go to our practice doc, and here we have gone directly to page 2, where we have a list of sentence. So the same sentence written multiple times. So we're going to use them and we will try to apply the different types of casing. To do that, first let's use the first one, and I will go to home menu, font, click this, and I go to, let's see, there is no change case here. Well, you can see this is all caps, where I can put all of them in all capital letters, and if I say OK, then you see all changes to capital letters. I can take the second one and I can do the same. Let's see, that's one here, and if I say small caps, so similar to all caps but smaller. Now I can select this again and I can look for where there is now on the font group. Let's see, one of those icons should be change case. Yeah, this one. So if you click this, now you see other options. Now if I say sentence case, it simply means if you look at the way they are written, you see that they are already telling you what they will look like. So sentence case, the first letter will be a capital. For lowercase, everything will be small letters. Uppercase means all uppercase, which is similar to what we just did here. And capitalize each word means for each word, their first letters will be in capital letter. And toggle case means for each word, the first letters will be small letter. So let's practice the sentence case, I think, which is what we already have here. You see there's no difference. That's because it's already a normal sentence case. But if I would go to this and I would go back and do sentence case, then you see that the first letter is in capital letter. Okay, and if I select this other sentence here, I go back and I say uppercase, and get the same. And if I go back, say lowercase, even the first letter becomes lowercase. I go to this one and select it, and I say capitalize each word. Look at what happens to each letter. The first letter of each word. You see that this is I becomes capital, L becomes capital, M is capital, F is capital letter. And if I select this one, I go back, I see what happens with toggle, and in toggle the first letter becomes a small one. Normally I would expect each other word to have a small letter. Well, let me take family for example, and I do that. Somehow it doesn't follow that, but I would expect that it's different. And if I do that with this, still the same. But anyway, the idea is that you can see how you can change the casing of your text, and it's up to you to decide how you or what you want to do with the casings of your text. If you like them the way they are already, normally you just leave them as is. If you wish to change them, now you know where to go to do that. Thank you for listening, and I hope the message is clear on this part, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.